Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, I don't really know what's going to be titled, but it's going to be something along the lines of I colored my curly hair. As you may have noticed, I've posted videos since I've done it, but I haven't really got on and did a video about it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys my hair. This is like day 5 gym hair, so it's a hot mess, but obviously I'm about to go shower and everything like that. So this is the current state and color of my hair. I got it done like 2 weeks ago now, and this is what it's looking like. I do have my ring light on. I'm gonna turn it off to see if you can see like a major difference. So this is what it looks like without the ring light. I am standing right in front of the window, so this is just natural lighting right now. I guess I feel like it looks pretty much the same. It looks a little bit brighter with the ring light, but yeah, this is my hair at the moment. Okay, so I just turned the ring light back on. I don't really know if it really makes a difference. It's on super low, but anyway, I did film the process of when I went to the salon, but my camera had died, so I didn't even want to post a salon video because I didn't have enough footage to make like a full video. So I figured I would just leave it and insert it in a future video like this one. But today I'm actually going to be toning my hair because the color that it is right now is really not my favorite. I'm not loving my hair, but the thing is, I went into the salon wanting one thing, and my stylist told me we wouldn't be able to get what I actually wanted because we would have had to dye my whole head, then do the highlights and all this other stuff that I didn't want to do because I was just really scared of damaging my hair. My hair looks a hot mess right now, but my curls actually still look really good after them being bleached. So when I was actually in the salon, we talked about it and we kind of came to a agreement that we were just going to do what we ended up doing, and I'm going to explain that process and all that stuff as I play you guys the salon footage. But while I do that, I am going to be putting in the rosemary scalp treatment from the Enid Life. I've showed this and used this plenty of times on my channel. It's a really good pre-poo. It's great for hair growth and just repairing and hydrating your scalp. So I'm going to be applying this all over my scalp, and you guys are going to be watching the salon footage while I talk. So I went to the salon with some inspo in mind, and that was basically just Georgia. Everything Georgia. I love her curly hair. I love the color of her hair, although I do know she is a natural redhead. I like love her hair color. So that was my main like end goal. But then when we got to the salon, we discussed like what we would have to do in order to get that color, and I was basically told I would have to dye my whole head because my hair is super dark, and then do highlights on top to get that look. Now I was already really skeptical about even getting the highlights and just adding bleach in general, so I didn't want to do both, which I kind of regret, but also it's whatever. So I ended up just doing the highlights without dyeing my hair. So I believe she said she was doing Pintura highlights where you kind of just paint the bleach on. So that's what she did. We ended up using some bleach to highlight my hair, and then she went in with, I believe, at least 2 different color toners, and from what I remember, it was like a cinnamon color and like a copper color, like somewhere in the copper-ish range. So yeah, she bleached and then we toned, and then she just styled my hair like normal. So I'll have to insert footage from my phone of what my hair looked like right after I got it done because I didn't get any on my camera. My camera had died by that point. Okay, back to present day. I just applied all the scalp treatment, and now I'm just giving myself a little bit of a scalp massage. So I got it done, and in the salon and everything, I actually didn't mind the way that it looked. Like, I liked the way that it looked. I liked the color. It was giving me just like pretty copper highlights. But I have to say, when I walked outside, I feel like the color was more bright than what it looked like in the salon to me. Like, even on the like photos and videos that were taken inside the salon, I feel like it almost looked a different way than it did when I got outside in the daylight, which kind of sucked because it just seemed like way more brighter than I thought it was initially. And then, like I said earlier, I kind of regret not dyeing my whole head because I realized after getting the highlights that I personally feel like I would have liked my hair better, like the way it looked, if I would have just dyed it all one color. I don't know if you guys can hear those kids screaming outside, but I hope they're okay. I don't know why, I really just don't like the way the highlights look. I think it is that I want my scalp and like the root of my hair to remain dark, and then like kind of have a highlight, which I guess it's not highlights, it's probably like balayage or something like that. But I don't know because I'm not the hairstylist, so I don't know, you know, what really I'm doing. But maybe I could have been more clear about that. But I really don't like how you can see the highlights basically at the root of my hair. That's pretty much why I haven't been loving my hair, and honestly just the way that I look in general, because if you don't feel good about the way your hair looks or anything, your eyebrows, whatever, like anything that you're presenting yourself outwardly with, if you don't like the way that it looks, of course you're not going to feel good about yourself. And I feel like that's been me for like 3 weeks. So today, to try and fix my dilemma, I am going to be toning my hair. I've never toned my hair before, but I picked up these 2 toners. I saw them on the Ulta website, but I ordered them from Amazon because Ulta shipping took way too long. But these are from the brand 4 Seasons. They're a toning treatment. I got the color Toffee, and then I got the color Copper. So I picked these 2 colors specifically because I was reading a bunch of reviews and I found this one. In one of the reviews, the girls was saying how she had her hair highlighted. It was supposed to be more copper color, and then she felt like it was kind of just turning blonde, and she had brunette hair, like she had dark brown hair. And they recommended that the person leaving the review or the question mix these 2 colors to kind of get their desired look. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a 360. Let's see what the back looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like. Well, that's the back. But yeah, this is my before. I do have to use the toners on freshly washed and towel dried hair, so I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'll be right back. Okay, I just got out the shower. I don't know what is going on outside. I feel like there's always something going on at my apartment, but I'm sorry if you can hear that noise. But I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing the 2 toners. I have this mixing bowl. The only thing is, I wish I would have bought gloves. I think I'm gonna use like a plastic sandwich bag to apply this on my hair because I don't wanna mess up my nails. I literally just did my nails. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do equal parts of both of the toners. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need for my whole entire head, but I'd rather have more than not enough. So this is what the toffee color one looks like. It looks pretty dark. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. And then this is what the copper one looks like. It's like pretty like fiery, I feel like. This by itself, I would not like, but I think with the toffee color, hopefully it gives me the color that I'm going for. I don't even know really what I'm going for, but I just want something different on my head than what I have right now. So this is what it looks like together. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them. I just added more of both the colors because I definitely feel like I'm gonna need way more of this product to cover my whole head, and I don't want to have to stop and make more while I'm doing it. We are in a new filming location, so I can actually do this in front of a mirror, and I have 2 options. I have these kitchen gloves, which they are clean, or I have sandwich bags to use this. I think I'm just gonna use these kitchen gloves, even though they're probably gonna be like super rough to mess with my hair. Actually, it won't be that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these little kitchen gloves so I don't ruin my nails or stain my hands. And I'm gonna section my hair off and apply it in different sections. It's looking really red, so I am a little bit nervous. I'm gonna go and put a little bit more of the toffee brown color in just to be like, if this doesn't come out good, I just put a little bit more in there, but if this doesn't come out good, then I am stealing my boyfriend's credit card and I'm going back to the salon to get this done because I paid a lot of money and I am not spending that much money again. Or the next video will just be me dyeing my hair back to black with a box dye. I'm just gonna do it. Let's go for it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Why does the bottom look so red like that? Oh my god, okay. Hold on, because this just, the way that looks so red is scaring me right now. I literally feel like my heart is pounding. And you know I'm dramatic, okay? I know I'm very dramatic when it comes to doing my hair. When I cut it, I'm super dramatic about it. When I dye it, I'm super dramatic. I don't care. I'm all about the drama when it comes to hair because, I don't know, you should feel good about it. And it can be scary to change up your hair, especially if it's a big part of who you are. Like if you care a lot about your hair and like, I don't know. I know there's so many people out there who can relate. So if you feel like I'm being dramatic, this is just not the video for you because the drama hasn't even started yet. Wait till I see how this looks when I wash it out. Just wait. So I've applied the toner all over my head. I'm trying to take these gloves off to see what time it is. Okay, it is currently 12:01, so I'm gonna wait until 12:15. I just got out the shower and I rinsed out the toner. I feel like I did a really good job of rinsing out the product, and my hair has not felt this soft since I bleached it. Like the toner conditioned my hair so well. So I was really happy about that and I was not expecting that. I thought I would have to go in with more conditioner, but I didn't even use additional conditioner to rinse it out. So I have not seen what my hair looks like. Let's see. This is the moment of truth. Okay, I got my detangling brush. Let's see. I don't know. I really don't know. Very anticlimactic. I do definitely feel like it is not so blonde for sure, because earlier you were able to see way more blonde up here. I was really worried about this side because I honestly started running out of product when I got to this side of my head, and I was really scraping that container to get anything I could out. So I don't know how I feel about this side, but let's see what this side looks like. It definitely darkened the bleach portions for sure, but I feel like I really won't be able to see the final result until my hair is completely dry. But I am actually happy with this so far because it's just not so blonde. I'm actually excited to style my hair and see how it looks. I feel like it's gonna look really good. So I'm actually gonna style my hair off camera. I think I'm gonna do a whole separate styling video because I want to try out some new products. So I will be back once my hair is styled and completely dry to show you guys the final results. Okay, I'm back after styling my hair after using the toners, and 10/10 recommend. 10/10 recommend. Like, I love the way that my hair looks. I don't love it, okay? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7.5, okay? Because I feel like it's still a little bit blotchy. But like I mentioned earlier, I think I did that. I was running out of toner, and instead of doing more, I was just kind of scraping the bottom of the container to try to fill this area. This was the last section that I did, and you can definitely tell that I did that. So next time, I'm going to apply it more evenly. And I also feel like the bottom of my hair, even before I did the toner, it was kind of like a different shade. So maybe next time I'll only tone the top of my head. I don't know. I feel like I need to figure out how to even this out. But I like the color overall way better than I liked my hair before. I just want to mess with the ring light a little bit so you guys can see the color difference. So this is the ring light off, and then this is the first level. It's barely a change, but that's like the lowest level. And then this is the second level here. This is what my hair is looking like. It looks so much better. Like, I'm so happy that I did this. And I did film a whole styling routine. So today was just very productive because I filmed 2 videos and I feel really good right now. But if you guys want to see how I styled my hair, because I did use a new product, definitely stay tuned because it's going to be posted right after this one. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I feel like it was probably a longer one, but let me know what you guys think about my hair color before and after, or like any tips on keeping up with bleached hair and like colored hair like this. And yeah, any other thing you want to comment down below. I love when you guys comment down below. It really helps with my engagement on YouTube. And also when you give the video a thumbs up, if you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for listening to me rant about my hair and complain and be dramatic, because isn't that what YouTube's for? But if you aren't already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.